Hi guys, today we are going to study about the dissection of the hibiscus flower. For the dissection of the hibiscus flower, let's talk about the classification of the flower, division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledone, family Malvaceae, genus Hibiscus and species Rosa sinensis, that is called as the China rose. Requirement which is need for the dissection is we need a hibiscus flower, then a scissor, then a forceps, a blade and a needle. Now first of all we have to see here the information about the hibiscus flower. This is the hibiscus flower. So this is the green long structure is called as the stalk of the flower. Upper to the stalk there is a presence of a pedicel, and here you see some outgrowth. That outgrowth is called as the epicalyx of the flower. This is the additional one of the flower. They are 5 to 7 in number. Then upper to the epicalyx there is a presence of a calyx. Calyx are green in color and 5 in number. The another name for calyx is sepals. The main function of calyx is to protect the flower when it is in bud condition. Upper to the calyx there is a presence of this red color structure, and this red color structure is called the corolla of the flower. They are 5 in number. The another name for corolla is petals. The main function of the corolla is to attract the insect toward itself during pollination. The red colored tube arises on upward direction. Here you clearly see this red color tube is called as the style of the flower. Then here you see some yellowish structure which is arises on the style of the flower. That yellowish structure is called as the androecium or stamen, which is the male sex organ of the flower. That stamen contains filament and anther. Anther have infinite pollen grains on it. The upper portion, that is the dark red portion, here you clearly see they are 5 in number, and that is called as the stigma of the flower. So the female portion is called as the gynoecium or pistil, which contain stigma, style and ovary, which is present inside the flower. Now let's start the dissection of the hibiscus flower. Here we separate the epicalyx with the help of this forceps. One by one we separate the epicalyx here. Now we separate the calyx here. For the separation of the calyx we take a blade and slightly cut to the calyx. Now we separate these calyx with the help of forceps. It easily removed one by one. We separate here the calyx of the flower. Then we separate the colorful red structure, that is called as the corolla of the flower, with the help of our hand. Here we separate the corolla of the flower. You see. Now we dissect the style of a flower. For that purpose we have to take here the needle, and with the help of needle we dissect the style of the flower. Carefully pin this needle inside the style of the flower and you have to separate here this portion. Okay, then remove the portion here carefully. Yes. Okay, you clearly see here the female portion. That female portion consists of stigma, then long and elongated style, and pale green structure that is called as the ovary of the flower. That ovary contains one or two ovules in each locale. Okay, I have see you the male portion of the flower that is called as the stamen. The another name for the stamens is androecium. So this is the male portion of the flower, which contains anther and filament. Now arrange the flower in the same manner and labeled it. Friends, if you have any question about the dissection of hibiscus flower, then ask me your question in comment section. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.